welcome to our YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how to open our Geegpay account. So please, before we go into that, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell, like this video and share to other people that really need this video. Now, as I've said in my last video, I said Geegpay is one of the fastest and one of the most reliable platform or dollar accounts which you can create and receive your money worldwide. So now in this channel I will be teaching us how to open the Geegpay account, and it's actually easy and very fast. What you just need to do is just to go to your browser, type geegpay.africa. I'm going to drop the link to that on my description below and you can check that. So you type geegpay.africa, and what you are going to do here is to click on create an account, and you are going to see here how will you like to use Geegpay. You click on a freelancer, and you choose your country, which is Nigeria. And if you're in Kenya, if you're in Egypt, if you're in Heaven, you can choose anyone you like. So you choose Nigeria, then you click on continue, then here you are going to put in your email address, and if you have a referral code you can put it there. Then they are going to send a code to you to your email account. Then you type in your OTP or the code they give you. So this is the code. I copy it and paste here. Then you put your phone number, and they are going to send another OTP to your phone number. Click on continue, then type in the OTP. Then here you create your password, and make sure the password is a strong password. You click on continue, then you click on start onboarding. These are the information they are going to give you. Now here you are going to provide some of your information here, but before that, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and share this video. Click on the like button. So here you are going to click a random answer here. They said, what would you like to do with Geegpay? So you can just click on receive funds as a creator, or you can also choose any random answer. So here you provide your personal information, your name, your full name, your middle name and everything. Then you put your date of birth. Then put your country. And fill in your address details. And here you are going to upload your bank statement or utility bill. anyone you have, either your bank statement or utility bill, you can provide one of the two. Then you verify your identity here. Once you provided all the information they ask you, here you are going to provide your identity number, which is your NIN. So you click on national identification number, NIN. So you click on continue. Then you complete this verification. Then you tell them where you are from. You click on order because you are not in US. You are not from US, so you click on order and click on agree and continue. So you click on continue. You are in Nigeria, you put in your NIN. Then you put in your NIN number. Sorry. You put in your NIN number here, then click on submit data. So once you are done with that, they are going to verify your face ID. So once you've done that, then you've completed your information. So we are actually waiting for a verified or verification from Geegpay to verify our account, and you are going to see how our Geegpay account is on the site after it has been verified. So actually Geegpay is actually faster than Gray in verification, and that is why I'm recommending Geegpay as our option to open our dollar account. But I will say again, it is better you open Gray for people who are earning little amount of money, because Gray is not going to remove any charges from your credit transaction. It is only 1% out of your withdrawal they are going to remove. So that is why I'm recommending Gray, and you can use Geegpay as an alternative. So if you're having problem in opening your Gray account, you can move to Geegpay and open your account. Actually, in another video, I'm going to drop another video about how to open your Gray account, but people are actually asking me to create a video about how to open our Geegpay account. So that is why I'm doing that now. So let's continue. As you can see here, our account has been verified, and this is how your account will look like once it is verified. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see and this is the rate for each currencies. So this is how our Geegpay looks like, and once it is verified, you are going to see this, and you can apply for any account, either your dollar account or your pounds or your naira account. Now here, once if you want to apply for your dollar account, just click on the just click I'm coming okay just click on US dollar, click on it, and you are going to click on create. So you click on create. Once you click on US dollar, then you click on create, and they are going to create a dollar account for you, which you can use to receive money from US. So For those people using Amazon KDP, you can use this dollar account or this dollar account details to receive money from Amazon KDP. What you just need to do is go to your Amazon KDP account, bind or link your dollar account with your Amazon KDP account. So this is the details of your dollar account. You can see the account holder, the bank name, the account number, routine number, then others, the account type, then the address. So with this, you can use it to receive money from Amazon KDP or any other payment you are receiving from USA. So that is that, and I believe you've got one or two things from this video. If you want to create other bank accounts, you can also do the same way. If you want to create your Naira account, your pounds account, you can also do the same way we've done for our dollar account. So I believe every one of us has got one or two things for this video. In our next video, we are going to see, and we are going to look at how to link this bank account with our Amazon KDP account. Before then, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn your notification bell for more videos, and share this video. Click on the like button. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.